after another long break. It was not by choice. Things have been a little hectic, and had some issues with my bike, or the frame to be exact. So that brings us to today's video, which is a new bike build. This is the old one. Everything's off of it because it's going on the new frame, along with new forks too. And I did order some cranks, but those are not coming in yet. That'll be hopefully next week, but this frame's just at the end of its life, and wasn't compatible with the new forks that I got, because this was not a this didn't support a integrated headset, so it was time for an upgrade. So I got a Kink Profit. It was one of the last ones I could find online, and there was a specific reason I wanted that frame exactly, and it was just because of the dimensions. Out of all the bikes I've had, my first BMX bike that I purchased was a 2015 Fit Spree, I think it's pronounced, and that was just the most comfortable out of my Sabrosa, and then this one, the Fit Series one. It was just, the Sabrosa looped out too easy, and then the Fit Series one just felt like the chain stay was a little too long, and it was harder to get my pops. And this new one is just kind of in the middle ground. So I'm really excited. We're going to be putting everything on the new frame, along with the new forks, soon to be cranks. I did go a little steeper as a 28mm offset on the forks, and then I'm going to 165 for the cranks when I do get those. But yeah, I'm just gonna be setting everything up upstairs, and we're gonna get started. Afterwards, hit up the skate park and try it out. All right, we are on our way home now. A lot of fun at the park. Bike feels great. Still getting used to it. Mainly the different fork offset, it being steeper, a little twitchier, but it still feels so good. Feels a lot like my old bike and my like first bike, and I love it. But yep, just heading home. So riding continues. Just want to jump back on here, film a little outro real quick. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Today was a lot of fun, and I'm really happy to be back on my bike, a brand new bike, the frame and forks, and soon to be the cranks, but it feels really great. I feel like my hops are finally consistent again, and consistently high as well. And then I got that 360. I know I gotta work on leveling it out. I'm kind of doing the beginner version, but I do want to learn to tuck the back wheel better. So something to work on, but at least I'm getting it. So I'm really happy about that. But I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Got a lot of stuff planned now that my bike's back in working order. So stick around for that. And yeah, again, thanks for watching. See you next time. All right, flawless outro.